Now moving on to subcontrary, the rule is both cannot be false but both can be true. Subcontrary is just two vowels, that is I and O. So one is true and the other one is also true, and one is false, the other one is compulsorily true. Either both can be true or one is false and one is true. Taking the examples again, I and O. Some students are passive learners if it is said to be true. Then some students are not passive learners is also said to be true. And the next example for one to be true and one to be false is some snacks are complimentary, some snacks are not complimentary is said to be false. These are just examples. Once you move ahead to solve each and every particular problem, you will be able to understand this concept more better. Here if you see in subcontrary, it's the I and O relationship. When will I call it subalternation? That is, subalternation is said to be true. That is, it moves from universal to particular. We go down with the truth, right? If we go down with the truth, it's A proposition and I proposition. A to I it is coming. So A proposition is universal, I proposition is particular. So when it is going from universal to particular, it is said to be true. So truth flow downwards. Again, similarly for E and O, the same rule applies. And here for superalternation, it goes just the opposite to subalternation. It goes from particular to universal, that is I proposition to A proposition. So some ice creams are melting is said to be false, then all ice creams are melting is said to be false. So here you are going up with the false. So when the proposition moves from particular to universal, then both the propositions are said to be false. That is superalternation. Whereas in subalternation, it moves from universal to particular, that is top to bottom arrow, and that proposition is said to be true. That is the difference between subalternation and superalternation. With this, we are concluding the most important concept of the square of opposition. Moving on with this, we will try to solve some PYQ statement based question based on square of opposition. Thank you.